At dahil marami kang na-eat, madami mo sa'yo. Cheers!
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Cheers!
Nauna si Papa sa'yo.
Bleh.
Ingat kayo, Papa.
Let's go camping. Di kasama si Mami. Ayaw kasi si Mami. Arte kasi ni Mami. Charot.
Sige na.
Today is
Bye-bye.
only
Ingat kayo, ingat
me and
kayo.
Alan Gray. Okay.
Let's go camping.
Let's go camping. Bakit? Gusto lang pala mag-go na. Let's go. Excited ka na? Let's go na. Biyahe muna tayo, guys. Alan Gray. Palabas na tayo ng highway. So, ay, ng SM pala to. Seatbelt ka na. Seatbelt ka na. Seatbelt na, please. Let's go. Order tayo ng McDo. McDo? Chicken?
No.
No? Burger?
Yes.
Rice? Okay. Fish mo. Spaghetti. Thank you. Let's go. Okay. Oh! Bukuha ka na. Wait lang. Balik na sa likod. Seatbelt na, okay? Kasi go na tayo. Great job. Ito pala. Ito yung sinasabing hindi pa gawang daan. Sus ko. Na wala to kay Sting. Ay sus, sorry, nagigising. Ay, istorbo yung tulog. Okay, andito na kasi tayo. Andito na kasi tayo. Okay, sit down ka. Ay, sorry. Slippers ka saglit. Tao po. Tayo na nagbukas. Parang walang tao, nak. Ay, playground natin yan. Walang tao. Halika, walk tayo. Walk tayo. Sus, wala pa sa mood ang bata. Sige na. Kat. Ayan. Oh. Playground natin. Oh. Playground natin for today until tomorrow. Walang tao. Tayo lang. Baba. Kunin natin toys. Yes, let's go.
Doggy.
Let's go, Taki. Let's go. Takbo. Okay, may mood na ang Alan Gray. Nasa mood na ulit. Help mo si Papa maghakot, ha? Help mo si Papa. Okay. Dinosaur. Oh, hakot mo yung dinosaur mo. Dali natin si tripod. Sige na. Si Pterodactyl? Ako, babalikan ko si Pterodactyl na. Sige, ito muna. Ay sus, pastilan ka talaga. Pinapahirapan mo yung sarili mo. Oh, let's go. Oh, sige. Okay. Taki. Saan tayo? Dito ka muna, naambon eh. Kasi set up lang si Papa. Time lapse in 3, 2. The tarp is up. Ay, kumbaga, kabit natin ito. May duyan na tayo dito. Okay. For the final hakot, we have our very powerful supply. Alright. Gamitin na natin si Sony kasi this is good for low light. And again, we're alone. So, mas makapal yung mukha natin para kunwaring vlogger dito. Yung cute ng place, oh. Yung mga Christmas lights. May isang maliit na kubo. Yun yung maliit. The common area. Doon. Actually, hindi na namin kailangan mag-table kasi we can eat there. Pero pinag-iisipan ko pa kung lalagay ko para yung mga gamit. But basically, we have everything. Super lucky. Hindi umuulan. Hopefully, tuloy-tuloy. Pero syempre, tarp is always ready. Mag-chill tayo later. Sana may stars. Lumabas ka sana, stars. Para maayos yung gabi namin ni Alan Gray. Final decision is dito lang tayo. Yeah, dito lang tayo kakain. Okay. Take advantage natin yung convenience kasi hindi tayo laging meron yan. But yeah, there's the spot right there. Dito tayo kakain, Alan Gray, bago tayo maligo. Everything's all set. Ito na lang din ako magluluto later. Okay. Wala na tayong food. And papainit ako kasi oats and coffee. Of course. Get some coffee running for the night. We have everything here. Para sa aming dalawa lang ni Alan Gray. The ever healthy bright light. Kung healthy nga ba talaga. And we have some breakfast there. Good. Bada boom. High five. Peace bump.
Boom!
Boom. Happy ka? Happy?
Papa.
Very good. Tara! Grabe, hindi biro. Pero syempre, kung may tiwala sa sarili, walang imposible. This time it's special kasi this marks a milestone for me. Kasi unang beses to namin ni Alon na kami lang dalawa. Nakapag-camping naman kami before without mommy. Pero mostly kasi kasama sina utol or mga kaibigan. This trip needed a higher level of courage. It's no joke to think about safety when you're away and alone with a 2-year-old, ano? To make him listen, to stop, almost impossible. I would admit that it is difficult, but regrets? No, not at all. He does listen to Papa naman. If anything, it was an absolute success. It's cute how he has the simple manners like thank you and sorry. And it's really heartbreaking when he randomly says, I love you so much, Papa. That just melts my heart. Siya yung lucky charm ko. Really. Like, I was ready para sa maraming tao kasi weekend. I was ready sa ulan, pero hindi. Binigyan kami ng malamig at tahimik na gabi under the stars. After a little while, nakatulog na rin ng maliit, and that's when I had my muni-muni time. Time to sing, ponder on things, mag-isip-isip din ng very light. And after a few hours with the freshness and lamig, it was time for me to sleep na rin. At pagdating ng umaga, sinalubong kami ng province-like na freshness. And just like that, handa na ulit kami sa panibagong araw. Thank you po, Lord, for keeping me and Alan Gray safe.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Back to GoPro tayo.
Hello.
Hello na. Sarado tayo nako kasi malamig.
Malamig.
Malamig kasi kagabi eh. Kaya sarado tayo.
Sada.
Oo. So labas na tayo?
Yes.
Let's go out.
Let's go out.
Whoa. Hello.
You really go.
Wait lang. Sarap ng tulog mo na ka. Galing hindi nagising-gising. High five papa, high five. High five papa. Okay. Ito. Oh, ganda ng morning oh. Salamat, hindi tayo inulan. Dito tayo sa kitchen so that we can prepare breakfast. Thank you. Everything is safe. This thing is safe. Ito tayo ng breakfast. Let's get prepping. Guys, tayo ha. Saing muna tayo. Ayan pa tayo isang pancit canton. Mantika. Cater sila. Take advantage natin to. Bakit nga ba hindi ko naisip yan kagabi? Nagainit up. Okay, luto na to. Gusto mo ng egg? Luto na yung egg. Oats for the little one.
Sarapan pahlawan, kuatkan hari. Satu suap semangat, dua suap berani. Sarapan pahlawan, ayo kita mulai. Dengan hati senang, senyum pun cerah sekali. Jika malas datang, kita peluk semangat. Pakai jubah imajiner, terbang cepat-cepat. 3, 2, 1, ayo melesat. Sarapan pahlawan, langkah jadi hebat.
Oops! Ulan.
Ulan. The driver.
Okay. Gusto mo yan? Yee! Gusto yan ah. Dito naman si Papa. Oh! Uy! Swing si Papa! Swing si... Oh! Oh! Yo, swing si Papa oh! Yes! Okay. So, ligpit lang. Nandahan lang ako habang nag-e-enjoy pa tong bulinggit na to kasi tumidilim yung skies, mukhang babagsak yung ulan. So let's just be prepared. At least may shelter tayo doon, so makakasilong kapag umulan and hindi na mahirap magligpit. Saglit. Nag-enjoy pa naman yung maliit. Let's enjoy the view, the wind, the freshness. Kasi this is not something you get every day. Oh, saktong-sakto oh. Umulan na ng malakas. Buti nakapagligpit na si Papa. High five. Welcome. thank you siya kasi tinulungan ko siya sa dinosaurs niya. Ang galing. Okay, let's go na. Okay. Last hakot na. Dinosaurs. Still kami pa rin. This again is the Happy Camping Village here in Tagaytay. I'll include the location in the description below. And Alon, bye bye na. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yes po.
Where you going?
Going na. Go home na tayo.
Walking in the jungle.
Walk in the jungle. We're not afraid. We're not afraid. Oh, tayo nagsarado. So we're just gonna contact the owner to pay the rest of our balance. Kasi wala yung caretaker. But yeah, that's the site right there. Gated na lot. And then yung parking spot nandito. What a day, what a day. What a day. It's like 12 o'clock na. Sakto, uwi. Pagka uwi ng bahay, knockdown. And then we're just gonna live for another day. That's it. Bada-boom, bada-bam. Huy! No! Bakit mo tinapakan yan? Hindi yan mud. No. Naku po, kailangan natin punasan yung slippers mo. Let's go na. Halika na. Dito, punas pa tayo ng slippers. See you guys sa next. Babush.